million-dollar business idea which you can start with AI. It's not like I'll tell you 3 free AI tools with help of which you will design a t-shirt design and sell t-shirt. No, it's not about that. It's way bigger. So our first idea is about Gen AI. Gen AI recently has been very good generating text, images, capability of speech recognition, and also have general common sense. For last 15 years since our first iPhone, we've been clicking, typing, swiping and scrolling to use our phone. But with Gen AI, you can simply talk to the phone and it will do everything for you. From getting a cab, ordering a food, or maybe you need some groceries, everything can be done. You don't need to juggle between apps to apps. You just need to say it. And this type of application can also be used in B2B market. If you need an invoice, just talk to the app and it will generate everything for you. It can do calendars, meetings, business finance, and even inventory management, and everything can be done just like you are talking to a manager. But this manager is not giving out information to other people. This manager is doing everything on its own, and we are talking about Gen AI. Now, this can be implemented in a single app, or maybe you can develop multiple apps for this type of things. If you are able to crack this, then there's a huge opportunity for you. You can get millions of dollars in funding, or maybe generate millions of revenue with this type of software. Just for an example, if we look at DoorDash, right now on DoorDash, we need to select dish quantity and make a payment. Now, imagine this. If suppose we are having an app with Gen AI which is allowing us to order a food. With that Gen AI application, we are only gonna say like, I need a chicken biryani for me from Royal Kamal. Make sure it's spicy and according to my taste, and also my favorite dessert from Royal Kamal as well. Now this is what will happen. Your application will go on DoorDash, find a Royal Kamal restaurant and place order into that. So this is where it's interesting. You just gave out a single prompt, or you just gave out a single dialogue. Now your application is doing everything. It's ordering and making sure that everything is to your liking, and also making some payments as well. So this type of ideas and this type of softwares can be a huge leap in AI development and UI industry. If you like this video, then make sure you follow for more such content and join my community where we can discuss such ideas and develop something which is at MVP stage. And if suppose it worked out, then we can launch this product and go ahead with that. Link is in my bio. So now thank you for watching. Peace out.